Hi everyone and good afternoon. I hope you're all having a crafty day, a very good crafty day. I know that I have been. So on my group, Crafting for the Heroes, I posted earlier that I will be giving away a rack every week to one lucky group member. So I'm giving you a sneak peek at this week's rack. So obviously you're not going to know who it's going to, but oops, don't know what happened there, but I wanted to show you what the rack is, and then whoever gets it, it will be a lovely surprise. So this is this week's rack, and there are 3 things in here. So the first thing is this pack of vintage laces and also coffee dyed laces. So let me just, sorry about the rustling. Let me take these out and show you. There's some appliques as well, and this is vintage lacy sort of, what's so yummy, look at that. Oh, it's just delicious. And these are coffee dyed or tea dyed, I can't remember, I think it's tea dyed laces. So there are a couple of pieces. I love this one, it's just gorgeous. There's another piece there of that, a different one, and this lovely sort of netty sort of material. No, not on the fabrics. Stop it. Right, let me put these back here. So it was all nice and neat and tidy. Right, so let's move those. Oh, that was from a vintage wedding dress, that was. I had acquired a vintage wedding dress and it was just gorgeous. Here's one of my scrap pads that I made, and it's got like vintage letters, coffee dyed papers, just some book pages, but it's great just to get some different papers for your projects. So it's a little cute little scrap pad that I made. And I made this morning. It's a cute little stamp album. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I have a bigger version, and it's just got stamps on the front, and inside it is full of vintage stamps for you. Just I've made this morning. Isn't it super cute? I love it, love it, love it. So those are the things that I will be giving away on the crafty rack this week. So if you'd like to have a chance of receiving these, if you just send me your address through the group. You have to be a member and you have to have pledged to make at least one thing for the craft for the heroes. So if you'd like to join, you haven't joined yet and you'd like to take part, there is a link in the description box below. It's the Facebook group Crafting for the Heroes, and all you have to do is make one crafty gift and send it to me, and I will be distributing them once we come out of lockdown to a hero. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.